Yeah, I'm good, Sid. Relax, okay? Alright, take it easy. Okay, guys? Santai. So just relax. I'm going to lower down the music a little bit. Okay, can you hear me? Alright. Okay, testing. Okay, Waalaikumsalam, Said. Okay, so everyone, so good evening. I hope everyone is doing fine. Alright, so we just take it easy, relax. Yeah, if there's any traits, okay, I will post it inside the group. Okay, take it easy, guys. Relax. Okay. Alright. Okay. So there's nothing much in the market. Alright. There's only one sell zone on top. Okay. We will try lah. Okay. Alright, one cell on top. Alright, the below for the buy. Okay, let me see. Alright, okay, so the buy, okay, is there's really a zone. So for those who want to retry this zone, is going to be risky buy lah, okay, because already not fresh, okay. So on top they will try to go for the sell. That's it. Okay. This one? Is it this one? Okay, if you want to try, you can try. I'm just sharing the top and the bottom only. Okay. Okay, come. Let's try. Okay. I think I'm going to try to buy, but not that much lah. Okay, I'm going to try to buy. We set a buy zone. Okay, try to buy. Okay. Buy zone below, on top we go for the sell lah. Alright, but I have to be honest guys, the zone is a little bit too big. Alright, the zone is a bit too enormous. But well, we just take it easy lah. Alright, don't enter so much, don't full margin, okay? Yeah, it's about 200 pips, so it's a bit quick. It's a bit too big. Alright, if you guys are uncomfortable, okay, can proceed to make it a little bit smaller. Alright, a little bit smaller in M1. Make it a bit smaller. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Razor. Good morning, Sadiq. Good morning, everyone. Okay, I hope everyone is doing okay. I hope everyone is doing fine. Okay, let's start the day with just a small buy and sell. Not so good, not so good. We just do a little bit of buying and selling. That's all. Alright. So at the moment, right now, there's nothing much. Okay, just this buy, but it's a bit risky because. Okay, put there risky buy because why the thing is it's really touch a few times. Okay, as you can see here lah. So if you see from the from my MT5, I've put a little bit some trades inside. Okay, for the buy. Okay, so just take it easy, relax, have a good day, guys. Just santai. Okay, take it easy, guys. Good morning everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Okay, now let me try to make it a bit smaller. For those who want a fresh one, a fresh zone. Okay, let me switch to M1, see what I can actually see. Oh, sorry, no M1. Okay, no M1. See this crown here? No M1, only M5. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I will try this zone right here. See how it goes lah. Alright. Alright, okay, so it went up quite a little bit. A bit lah. Okay, it's not much, about 45 for some pips. Okay, 47 pips, not bad. Okay, 48 pips. Very good. Okay, so for those ones, if you want to close, can close a bit, 50 pips. Okay. Should I close? Well, I think I'm going to close the bottom. Anyway, I'm opening 0.01 guys. Nice. Okay. Ooh, okay, very good guys. Okay, see, we went up 60 pips. Not bad. Okay, not bad at all. Okay, so well done. Okay, for those who managed to enter, for those who never enter, it's okay. Small thing. Alright guys, just the start of the day. Relax. Okay, so let's go. Not bad, So close a bit, guys. Right, close a few. Don't want to be hero then open everything. We come back, cry. Okay. Don't like that lah. Okay, have a little bit of money management. Okay. Alright, so still under testing phase still under testing phase, no confirm yet lah. Alright, no confirm yet. Because we are trying a few things. Alright, we are trying a few things, okay? YouTube is one of them lah. There's a Discord, is it? Discord and wallet still under viewing. Alright, it's still under viewing. So we are trying out a few things. Okay, hopefully everything will. If it goes well, then we will go to. We will invest in more. How should I say it? We will invest in more social media. Alright, we tried one by one. You gotta try everything because need to do testing, need to figure out how it works and all that. Okay. Alright. Okay, one more. Okay, it hits my break even. Well, let's see whether is there any can enter at the bottom. Alright, okay, so we try this zone below. Alright, I make it a bit smaller. Alright, so inside the zone we try this risky buy zone. Yeah, it'll be inside here. Okay, we try see how it is. Okay, because over here it's a bit too touch a few times. Alright, so the first one we did a buy. Alright, we did a buy. Well, not bad. We went up about 75 pips. Alright, 74, 75 pips. Okay, so we just take it easy, we relax, and then we once inside this buy zone, we try to buy. Okay, alright. Okay, come. Okay, we try to enter once inside the zone. Alright. So thank you so much. Okay. Hello Momo, how are you? Alright, so take it easy guys, slowly. Okay. Alright, so the thing is, okay, for those who just came to my live, I'm still under. If you can see on my live, I put there testing. Alright, testing. Still under a few tests that I need to do. Alright, but well, we will still enter. Okay, we will still enter. Alright, but the main one is of course the TikTok lah. Okay, alright. Because the thing is, we will be in and out lah. Alright, I'll be in and out. Okay. Alright, just now we had a good buy. I think it went about 780 pips, okay, 75 pips, 80 pips. Okay, so at the moment right now we are waiting for this risky buy zone here. Alright, for those who want to enter for a sell, it's a sell. Alright, Alright. Okay, there's a cell here at this area. Alright, but I won't enter lah. Alright, because this one's in the center. Okay, to be honest, there's also a cell on top here. Alright. Here. Okay, in M1 there's a cell a lot. There's a lot of cell zones. Okay. This is one of them. Okay, this is one more. Alright, like I mentioned every single time, it's always the service. Alright, remember the service is very important to know about the service, because why? This is where the zones you will be marked, the order block will be marked, whichever you want to call it. Okay, alright. So these are the things that you need to understand lah. Right. So this is M1. Okay. Right, at the back, as you can actually see, XJ USD I put 1, so it's M1. Okay, if it's H1, you put 1H, 1 hour. Alright, so M1 is M1 lah. So the view that I'm looking at is going to be in M5. Alright, so I put here both these zones, I'll put as risky cells. Okay, this one's quite small. Alright, 4, 6, 5, 7 lah. Okay, 4, 6, 5. Okay, alright, I'll try this zone, number 1, and also the bottom here. Alright, in M1, okay, there's a zone in M1. Okay, 4, 3, 4. Okay, so the bottom one, okay, both is a cell. Right, you try. Okay, we try our best. Whichever comes first. Alright, okay, then we will try to enter lah. Okay, whichever. Alright. Okay, I'm trying a few. Fantastic. Pop, touch, whoop. Fantastic. Ooh. 40 pips. 40 pips really. Oh, that was fast, huh? Not bad, huh? Alright, so the thing is, okay guys, once it's about 40-50 pips, okay, close a few, alright, and then just hang in there, relax, okay. Fantastic. Okay guys, it went up again. A little bit higher, 50 pips. Oh, not bad, huh? Okay, not bad. Very good. Very nice. So we just put a few with break-even finish. Haha. See. Hoi. Alright, 100 pips guys. Well done. It went up 100 pips. Very good, very nice. Okay, very good, very nice. Alright, so what you do? Close a bit lah. Finish. Okay, finish. Close, then just relax. Okay. Don't stress. Next, take it easy. Can? Well done, guys. Okay, well done. Okay, so from the bottom, it went up to 100 pips. Okay. Can Alright. So now I'm doing it this way, trading view, and also on the left I'm doing it. I will put my what is it? My MT5. Okay, so you guys can see both is parallel. Both is moving. Okay, can. Yeah. I think I'm going to put the mouse sample also. Let's see that. Oh, cannot see. Okay, never mind. Forget it. Alright, okay. Fantastic. Okay, 110 pips, guys. Very good, very nice. Okay, well done. Thank you for joining. Thank you for entering with me. 120 pips. Fantastic. Okay, very good. So now what you do? You just close a few, then you leave 1 or 2 layers with break even, and then move on to the next trade. Okay. Alright, if you want to sell in the middle here, alright, be careful. Okay, but I will wait for the top lah. The top one is risky, but I will take the chance and try. Okay, this one top. Okay, you ask me, Usha, why all risky? Because it's always in the center. All risky. Okay, why all risky? Usha, can be risky? Yes, all is risky. Because why? For this is a good zone, but the thing is, the whole thing, okay, you see, it touches just now. The zone is up till until this top. Okay, alright, and then it came down about 3 times already. Alright, so I decided to make the zone a little bit smaller. And then I'll try this. Still try with this buy zone. Well, it touch and then go because it's fresh. Okay, touch and go. Alright, 120 pips. Okay, so don't ever remember, take this. Right, take my advice. Okay, don't ever full margin. Okay, don't enter a lot. Just take it easy, relax slowly. Okay. Alright, so relax guys, relax. Slow. Malaysia, slow. Jangan don't rush. Okay, slow. Alright, take it easy guys. Okay, alright. Oh, fantastic. Came back down. Fight Okay, so never mind, it's okay. Right, just take it easy. Okay, so haven't hit my break even yet. Okay, I leave one layer. Haven't hit my break even yet. Okay, alright, up to you guys. Okay, how much you want to? Alamak, come already. Alamak, hit already. Okay, never mind, it's okay. Small thing, it's okay. Alright, never mind. Okay, so now I will explain how I mark this zone right here. Okay, come. Alright, so if you look to the left, okay, because this one is in M5, it's in M5. I mark this zone. Alright, the zone that I mark is in M5. Okay, so the whole zone, the whole thing is this one, this thing. Okay, alright. So the price came in. Okay, let me clean up for a while. Okay, so this is the whole zone. Okay, I'll change the color to a bit more different lah. Alright, orange color. Okay, this one is a different one. Okay. Okay, so this is the whole zone. Alright, this is the whole zone right here. Okay, if I extend it to the right, alright, you can actually see it went into the zone. It came into the zone, right? Number 1, then number 2, then number 3. Wow. Okay, number 4, it break. Now the thing is, that's why I lower it. I make the zone a little bit smaller because there's a zone below for you to take. Even that, okay, it's taken already. Went up 120 pips. Okay, so now it's trying again. Okay, the thing is, the price is trying to break this zone. Okay, it's trying to break this zone, see whether it can actually go below all the way down to another fresh zone. Okay, so that's why I say, alright, once it ran about 100 pips or so and so forth, close. Never mind, it's okay. Even if it's small, right, doesn't matter. Alright, close, okay. You don't you want to be hero, you want to enter a lot, then after that come down, then big problem. Okay, so at the moment right now, okay, it is trying to break this zone right here. Okay, maybe you will try a couple of times. Alright, the way I look at it, nearly is in M5. Okay, you will try maybe a couple of times more, right, before it break. Okay, so break to where? Right, once the price breaks, okay, it will look for another zone below, which is fresh. Okay, for me, if you ask me, okay, it will look to this zone, which I marked before. This one, okay, it will look to this zone right here. Alright, okay, this one is, okay, let me mark it properly. Quite big also, alright, quite big also. About 90 pips. Okay, about 90 pips or so. Yeah, I think it's big. Cannot lah guys, it's too big. Okay, so this one. Alright. Okay, come. So guys, okay, you guys have a choice, alright, either to try to enter again at this risky buy zone here, alright, or you can wait for it to come down all the way down to enter the bottom zone. Okay, so oops, you. Okay, alright, so once it breaks, okay, if it breaks, then after that you need to go to the bottom buy zone, this one. Alright, but if you want to try again, risky. Okay, risky. So the word today is risky. Okay, the word today is risky, to be honest. Okay, because why? Because the market is also risky. The market moving a little bit volatile, so we just take it easy. Alright, I'm also doing a bit of tests here and there. Alright, so I won't be entering that much also. Okay, can? That's why I enter, I close. I enter, I close. Alright, sometimes you have to do that, guys. You need to manage your account properly. Okay, alright, but well, that's just an advice. That's just from me. Right, the owner of the account is you. Okay, the one that is pressing the issue. Okay, the one that is managing it is you. No one is accountable for it except you. Alright, if you want to try to retest, you want to buy again, go ahead. Alright, no one is stopping you. Okay? Alright, have that confidence, guys. You always ask how to build confidence. This is the way to build confidence. Okay, just enter. Right, doesn't matter if it's a loss, then it's a loss. Alright, no one is going to criticize you. No one is going to tell you anything. Understand? Alright, but it depends on what you know. It depends on your knowledge. If you tell me, Shah, it's the first time I want to build confidence, but I have not learned, that one's also not right also. Okay, so take it from me. Alright, I've met a lot of traders, okay, that is trying, but they tend to be overconfident sometimes. Right, so what I'm trying to say here is, okay, you must have confidence, of course, must have that confidence, but not overconfident. Understand? What's the difference? Okay, example. Okay, Shah, I'm going to build my confidence. I want to enter, but you have no support. Means what? You have not do your back testing. You have not do your screenshot. Just follow. Cannot. Alright, you need that foundation of learning, okay, to make sure that you are able to cope with the loss. What happens if you hit loss? Okay, it's also not advisable. Alright, so take it easy, guys. Okay, relax, and hopefully everything is well for you. Okay, alright, so santai, guys. Okay, relax. Okay, so again, guys, if you want to buy, okay, it's a risky buy. If you want to wait, we'll just can wait for the bottom. Okay. Syukurlah ya Allah. Excuse me. Syukurlah. Okay, can. Alright, so you might ask me. Alright, you might ask me. Okay, sure. So can I re-enter? Risky. I want to say risky. Okay, but the truth is, the truth is actually, if it has not gone to the bottom yet, okay. So what I'm trying to say here is, okay, there's still some zones below. Alright, it has taken to probably here, this area here. Alright, there's still some of the zones left for you to take. Okay, can. Okay, 80 pips. Not bad, right? Okay, so if you want to re-enter, go ahead. If it's risky, then if you find it a bit too risky, you want to wait for the bottom, then it's also good also. Alright. Okay, right. So if you can actually see, guys, the market is trying to break this zone. Right, it came down. Right, if you guys want to try, if you want to try, risky lah. Okay. moment guys, I'm doing something. What happened to TikTok? What happened? Nothing. We are still on. We are still on. We are still on. Only my one don't have lah. Because I'm doing YouTube. I'm testing YouTube. We are trying to expand. Okay. Ziki sir. We are trying to expand. Anyway, hello. Hi. Good evening. Good afternoon. Good morning to you. Okay. Guys, doing something for her. Okay, thanks. Alright, okay, so let's see. Okay, for those who already enter, congratulations. Just wait for it to go upstairs. I'm good, Andy. How are you? Afternoon, sir. Anyway, guys, okay. You seems if for those who are inside my live here at the moment, okay. I try not to enter a lot because just in case it got cut off. Alright. So I'll just give suggestions, okay. Anyway, for those who just joined. Right, for those who just joined the live, okay, so far we have I think about 2-3 trades. Alright, okay, so we have both is a buy. Alright, we have a buy. Okay, we have a sell zone on top. We can try. Okay, we can try the top zone for the sell. Okay, sell zone. Okay, we have a risky buy below. Risky buy below here. Alright, so the thing is we will try. We will try and see how far the thing can go lah. Okay. Alright, is it going to break? Okay, for those who want to try this risky buy zone, okay, can try, but risky lah. Okay, I will recommend for the bottom one. Oh no, shit. Yeah. Oh, okay. Kitten. Okay, the bottom left. You see a circle with a live red color around it. Bottom left. Okay. Kitten. Okay, the bottom left. Sure, can we consider this SBR support become resistance? Can also. Can. Support become resistance. Can also. Alright, because this is a valid support. Okay, so can. If you want to take this as a SBR, also can also. Okay. But I think it's because I'm doing it with what is it? With supply and demand. Okay, I'm using strong points and all that, right? So SBR is what? SNR is not. I don't apply it when I'm trading. Okay. Alright, how do I join your channel? Okay, on the description. Okay, let me try. On the description, I wrote the link to my Telegram. Okay, you can try lah. Okay, let me see here. Yeah, okay, at the bottom, alright, there's a click link below to join. You can just click on the link. Alright, it will bring you straight to my zone. Yeah, click link in the bio. Alright, so the thing is, guys, I'm still perfecting all these things. Alright, I hope you guys give me some time. Okay, alright. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the support. Okay. How to send to you? Yes. Both is valid. Say it. Both is valid. That's why the thing is, actually, to be honest, say for SBR or SBR for me, alright, you can look it in M1. Cannot. Can be too small. For me, I rather look at it at high time frame better. Okay, because if it's M1 or M5, it's a bit difficult. That's why I mentioned. Okay, in the what I'm training right now is SND. Alright, because I'm looking at a lower time frame. Okay, M5. Alright, okay, give me a moment, guys. Okay. Oh, I like your voice. Thank you, Dylan. Thank you, Dylan. Alright, thank you. Okay, so alright, okay. So guys, okay, at the moment right now, okay, there's only the buy zone. For those who want to go for the buy, can go ahead lah. Alright. Okay, can. Fantastic, very good. Okay. Okay, for those who enter and then go up one more 100 pips. Alright, good. Okay, well done. 100 more pips. Okay, just now was 120. Then after that, it came back into the zone. Now it's 100 pips again. Not bad, guys, huh? Alright, very good. Well done, guys. Alright, okay, like I mentioned just now, okay, you need to stay calm, like what Dylan said, need to stay calm, need to relax a little bit, okay, because the thing is, also, I think I've been doing this for quite a while, so the experience will come. Alright, so trading is like driving a car, guys, okay, for us to drive a car, you must have a license, and also there's the one year probation, something like that, right, for you to have experience in driving. Same goes to trading. Okay, same thing. So the thing is, guys, when it comes to learning or knowledge in trading, is your license to trade. Oh, nice, 150 pips, guys. Okay, and then the 1 year probation is your back testing. Okay, it's your the number of how long you have been entering for a trade. Okay, so all these are tricks and tricks of how you can actually improve in your trading. Okay, to be honest, there's no shortcut. Alright, a lot of people wanted to use what is it? They want to use indicator and all that. Well, by all means, you can go ahead if it works for you. Alright, but if it doesn't work, okay, just try to learn the basics. A lot of people, some of them use indicator and it works. Well, if it works for you, it works for me. For me, it works for me if I use a naked chart and then use the basics of it. Okay, but whatever it is, guys, okay, whatever it is for those in knowledge base, okay, do not ever think that you are invisible when you are doing the indicator. Learn at least what is a zone, at least. Okay, alright. Learn at least where to enter. Learn what is SL. Learn what is TP, at least. Okay, so you guys won't feel so lost. Okay, understand? Alright, must have a little bit of knowledge with it. Alright, doesn't matter like you want to use indicator or you want to follow trade for the rest of your life, but honestly, alright, you need to have a little bit of knowledge. Okay, 180 pips, not bad, huh? Okay, for those who re-enter, well done. That's all I can say. Alright, you see, as you can actually see, guys, the price, okay, keep on coming down lower and lower. Alright, just now was over here. Just now was here, correct? Created a some kind of a support. Alright, and then it came down. Right, this is the one that we entered, remember? Okay, it go up and then it came down a little bit more. Alright, before you knew it, guys, it will go all the way down here. Alright, once it comes here and then goes up, okay, there's a chance it will go down to the bottom zone. So remember guys, okay, remember. Okay, so that's the idea. That's the image that we need to visualize. Okay, what is going to happen? Alright, okay, so at the moment right now 200 pips, not bad, huh? Very good, guys, huh? Well done, well done, well done. Okay, very good. Okay, so like I mentioned just now, I have no right to tell you whether you can press or not. Okay, I have no right to do anything to your account. You are the one that control it. Okay, if let's say you profit, or if you follow our signals and then you profit, it's yours. Okay, we can, to be honest, we are just sharing. Alright, we are sharing our trades. See how far or how good the trade is depends on the analysis itself lah, on our analysis. Alright, okay, not bad, very good, guys. Come, I switch to M1 lah, so you guys can see parallel. Both MT5 and trading view is the same. Okay, same same, both the same. Alright. Okay, come. So around 200 pips. Okay, so for those who want to, if you guys want to try sell here, go ahead. Okay, but I think I'll just be on top lah, safer. Alright, and okay, I mentioned I'm doing something, so just in case, alright. Alright, okay guys, for the duration of the live, okay, will be for 2-3 hours. Okay, in TikTok afternoon and also at night. Okay, as usual. Alright, US session and also Euro session and also our night shift lah. Okay, the night. So all this the live that we are doing. Okay, it's gonna be a little bit one more of a testing phase. Alright, more of the testing phase. Okay, I'm trying to see whether is it okay or not. The delay, okay, there's a bit of a delay. What's this, okay, can see, I'm still figuring out everything. Okay, I'm still figuring out everything. Okay, so hope you guys can give me a while. Alright, thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much for the patience. It's a little bit then it's okay lah. Alright, to be honest, okay, I will go through it together with you guys. Okay, for those who are interested to do live in future, alright, I'll give you my feedback for both. Alright, but the delay is the one that is pissing me off a bit. But well, to be honest, the view, everything is fantastic. Okay. cerita. Very good, very nice. Okay, well done. Congratulations to everyone. Okay, 200 pips, guys. So today our buy, we have a two or three zones that we tried the risky buy. 200, about 300 pips. Okay, right, for the buy, well done. Okay, so for the sell, oh shit. Okay guys, I'll send a mapping. Anyway guys, I forgot to update. Yesterday, this is USD JPY. Okay, for those who entered the USD JPY, it went up good. I never update. 70 pips. I did not update. Alright, I forget. But never mind lah, it's okay. My apologies for not updating, but it ran 72 pips, guys. Okay, it ran 70 pips. For those who entered my USDJPY, congratulations. Alright, congratulations. Okay, so I will send another mapping. Okay, so this, I think I'll show you guys how I do my mapping. Okay, so example. Okay, GBP. So cool. Alright, USDJPY. Alright, so the thing is, I have a few zones standby. Alright, probably here you can actually do the sell. Alright, so I'll put this as a risky zone because this one's in the center. Alright, and then the top one is a proper sell zone. Alright, so for those who want to try to sell USDJPY also can. Alright, this is USDJPY. Alright, so other currencies that I'm looking at the moment, okay, GBP USD. Alright, the one with the blue flag is the one that I'm monitoring. Okay, it's the only one that I will send because it's the one that is I should say the one with the most movements lah for currency. Alright, so to mark currency, guys, okay, you must be a little bit you must mark it a little bit on the higher time frame, which is H1. Okay, for me I'll choose H1. Alright, I'll choose H1. Okay, H1. Okay, this is H1. 1H here. Okay, 1H. Okay, H1, and then I will mark the safe one. Alright, for example, this over here. Okay, and I'll mark the safe one. Okay, the center one is the one I will put the risky zone. Okay, risky sell or risky buy. Okay, alright, so the bottom one is the safe one lah. Alright, but the risky one for currency you can try a little bit bigger. Okay, but not full margin, guys. Remember. Right, because the thing is, it's in the center. Okay, nonetheless, guys, there's a chance it will actually break, so must be careful. So I will look at GBP JPY, GBP USD, USD JPY, and AUD JPY. Alright, okay, and also Euro lah, Euro JPY, Euro USD. Okay, but what's the downside of all this? Okay, for this Euro USD, for Euro JPY, okay, for the downside of this is sometimes it won't enter the zone. Alright, and then it will be very, very slow. Okay, these are the two things that's very, very common in currencies. Okay, it's damn slow, man. You need to have a little bit more patience than gold. Alright, but the chance of it spiking up and spiking down is very minimal. Okay, that's the idea of currency. So currency is for those who want to try currency can, but it's not like gold lah. Right, for gold, you see just now for the what is it, for the Euro session, right, we had about maybe 200-300 pips. Okay, alright, in buys. But when it comes to gold, okay, when it comes to currency, okay, when I say, for example, my USD JPY yesterday, right, it looks big. Okay, it looks very big, but it's only 70 pips. And it's in H1, guys. I'm marking the zones in H1. Alright, so it's different. It's different from gold. Gold is different. Okay, gold, if you mark everything in H1, it's going to be about 200-300 pips. That's why Fendi, okay, always send the signal in M5. Okay, that's why we always promote M5 for you to mark. M5 for me is just nice, right? It's good for gold lah, for gold. Alright, for those who are interested in gold, okay, you can try to mark the zones in M5. M15 I think is to be too big also. Alright, okay, but when it comes to currency, you can go a little bit higher lah, H1 and all those things. Okay, alright. Okay, come. So we just take it easy, relax, and we will see what we can actually do in the charts. Okay, these are zones that I'm looking at, that I'm monitoring at. Okay, this one is very risky because this one is already touched a few times. Okay, the bottom here. Alright, I'm waiting for it to break. Either if it breaks down, I will enter the bottom one. Okay, if it enters the risky zone on top, okay, I will go for the sell lah. Simple. Understand? Make it simple guys. Don't be complicated. Don't be so complicated. Alright. Okay guys, okay, so you can actually see for trading view. Alright, on the left, on your right here. Okay, make a list guys, so easier for you to see. Can? Alright, don't just see gold one, you cannot see Bitcoin, see I have Bitcoins and all these US 30 and all that. Alright, if you want, I can actually give you US 30 and all that, but it's a bit too big. Okay, the zone is a bit too big, right? And also I'm not my favorite. Okay, because always lost. Okay, so whatever it is guys, just stay relaxed and just take it easy. Alright, I will end in about 15 minutes times. Okay, in about 15 minute time. A lot of tongue twisters today. Alright, so in about 15 minutes I will end. So you just take it easy. Alright, enjoy your day. Don't full margin, remember. And yeah, santai-santai. Kekasih hati. Welcome Andy, you're welcome. Thank you for joining Andy. Thank you for joining. Oil can WTI have. Come on. Since there's nothing in the market, I'll show you guys lah. Okay, so oil. Okay, oil. Guys, I used to have a trader from you know where he's from? He's from Palestine. From Palestine. Okay, I think his name is Najjar or something, right? WTI, cool. He trade WTI. He's the one. To be honest, guys. To be honest, he's the one that interests me in trading oil, right? So the thing is, guys. Okay, in trading, okay, it doesn't mean you're the one teaching. Okay, they have to follow. You know, right? Sometimes. Well, the thing is, I don't like to trade oil because it's a little bit. I don't know. I don't like the movement. Alright, there's a lot of spikes. Okay, there's a lot of there's a lot of what is it? Shadow and all that. Okay. Well, you can try this zone right here. Okay, you can try this one. Alright, yeah. So Najjar, he's the one that introduced me to oil. Alright, Not introduced. I know about oil, but I don't trade it. Okay, he's the one that interests me, got me interested in oil. Alright, so this is about 27 pips. Okay, first two digit. Alright, first two digit. Alright. So if you can buy, if you want, you can buy here in M5. Alright, or bottom lah. Okay. Okay, for sell, let me see. And there's a zone here for sell. You can try. Okay, WTI. Okay, sell on top, can buy below. Okay. As you can actually see here, it went in a few times already. Twice already. So yeah lah, risky lah. Alright, so this one's the fresh one. The buy one is better. Okay, can. So these are the kind of things that I don't usually trade like silver. This is silver. XAG, you see it's clean. Then my chart is clean. Okay, I only do something. Sometimes I do a little bit of what is it? Back testing on it. Alright, but other than that, I don't trade. I don't really trade gold, silver. Alright, what is this? Germany 40, GR 40, GER 40. Okay. Okay. So everywhere, guys. Everywhere you can actually do your back testing. Alright, you can do oil, you can do US30. Okay, it doesn't have to be just gold. Alright, if you feel that you want the same movement as gold, alright, you can try all these commodities. Alright, if you feel that the currency is a bit too slow, you can try commodities. Okay, the movement is a little bit fast. Alright, like this Nasdaq, is it? Nasdaq 100. All these are the things I will do only for backtesting. Seldom trade lah, a few times. Okay, but every single day I will go do gold. Alright, of course, and also my currencies lah. Okay, currency also you must know which one to take also. Alright, not all currency you can take. Okay, for example, Singapore, Malaysia, SGD, MYR. Example. Okay, so you cannot trade lah. How you want to trade? Okay, even if you look in high time frame. So like this. How to trade like this? Okay, so not all currencies you can take. Not all. What up, Shy? Alright, so not all currencies you can take. Okay, not all. Alright, so this is the list that I have. Okay, so GBP pairs you can take. Alright, you can try. Okay, GBP USD pair, of course you can take. Alright, NZD you can try. Very slow, but you can try. Okay, AUD JPY, not so bad. Okay, so that is Canadian CAD JPY, also very slow. Okay, all these are slow, very slow kind of movements. Alright, the Euro CHF, all these very slow, but at least you can actually try it on the. You can actually try to trade. Okay, but okay, for example, if you want to hit like 50 pips, you can take 2 days. This kind of zones. Sorry, this kind of pair. Okay, so that's why I take GBP JPY or USD JPY. Okay, these are the faster moving ones. Okay, this one will take the most 1/2 days. Okay, for it to reach at least 30 to 40 pips, depend. Alright. Okay, so all these movements is experience, guys. The more you trade, the more you understand. Don't always do gold, guys. Don't always do gold. Do gold, good. It is good. Okay, do something else. Okay. Okay, currency, US30 or whatsoever not. Alright, do your best. Okay, alright, Bitcoin, all that. So whatever lah. So alright, so take it easy. I shall see you guys later in the night. Yeah, alright. Have a good day. Okay, don't whatever it is, don't stress lah. Don't stress too much. Stress if you're floating, but not so much. Okay, so take it easy, guys. Santai-santai, and I'll be seeing you guys later at night. Okay, bye bye. That's what I said.